Which door did you use today? Today we used a new door, right? We entered from this door. We were supposed to come from that door, right? We were supposed to come from that door. Did we come from that door?
No.
Okay, good. Tell me about things you were supposed to do and you did not do. Yeah. Things. Yes, please.
I was supposed to study English yesterday, but I didn't because of the electricity.
Okay, she was supposed to study, but there was no electricity. Good. Thank you. Yes, Nada.
I was supposed to charge the battery, but the electricity is off.
She was supposed to charge her mobile, okay? But there was no electricity again. Good, thank you. Yeah, Noor.
Today at morning, my mom told me to wear your coat. I was supposed to wear my coat, but I forgot to do it.
Okay, now she was supposed to bring her coat. Now, are you feeling sorry for that?
Yes.
Yes, she's feeling sorry. Now, be supposed to, these examples show that the action, okay, was expected to happen, but it was not fulfilled, okay, did not happen. This is be supposed to in the past, but in present it has a different meaning. It has a different meaning. Who can give me a situation? We talked about that last lecture. Use be supposed to in the present. Yes, please.
I'm supposed to leave the university at 12 o'clock.
Good. I'm supposed to leave the university at 12 o'clock. Good. Thank you very much. So, be supposed to in the past and in the present. We were talking about the subject last time and we stopped at this exercise. Let's complete the exercise. Whether the action is fulfilled or unfulfilled. Read the introduction note.
Circle yes if the speaker is expressing an intention or plan. Circle
Now
no.
listen, first of all, is the speaker expressing intention or plan? If yes, say yes. If no, say no. Go on.
Circle no if not. In which of these sentences do you know for sure that the speaker did not complete the plan?
Thank you. So if there is a plan, in which sentence you know for sure that the speaker did not complete that plan? I think it's clear. Yeah, do number one, please.
I'm going to call you at 9 tomorrow. Yes, there's a plan.
Okay, that's right. Now, are you sure that the plan was not carried?
No.
We are not sure. Okay, I'm going to call, I'm going to visit, I'm going to buy. Yes, please.
I was going to call you, but I couldn't find your phone number. Yes.
Okay, thank you. There was an intention. Now, I was going to call you, but I couldn't find your phone number. Now, what about the other part? Was the action completed?
No. Not complete.
This is not completed, okay?
Yes.
Sahar, your parents were going to call you Fatma. Your parents were going to call you Fatma. Did they tell you that? No. So they were going to call her Fatma. What is her name? Sahar, not Fatma. So this is unfulfilled action as we said. Yeah, do number 3. Go on.
I was going to class when I ran into a friend from childhood. No.
Thank you. No?
Please.
Yeah. Now, are you sure the action was not completed? Okay.
No, there's not.
Yes.
There's
Okay.
nothing to tell us.
Nothing to show. Nothing to tell. We are not sure. Thank you. Yes, please. Next one.
I was planning to go to college right after high school, but I decided to work for a year first. Yes.
Okay. So is it yes or no? Was their intention?
Yes.
Okay. Now, was the intention carried out? I wasn't completed. I was planning to go to college. Not completed. Thank you. Next one. Yes, Asma.
I was working on my computer when the electricity went off.
Okay.
It is not a plan.
It is not a plan. That's right. Okay, go on. Number 6.
I had planned to talk to my manager today about a race, but she was out sick. Yes, there was a plane.
There was a plane or plan?
Plan.
Plan, not plane. Okay, there was a plan. And was it completed?
No.
No, thank you. Yeah, you want to say something? Uh-huh. You want to read? Okay, just a minute. Just a minute. Yeah. The previous question. Now, which one? Which point? Sorry? Which point, for example?
I don't know what the purpose.
Now, okay, good. Thank you very much.
Plans.
Now, sometimes, we use some constructions. Okay? In these constructions, when I say, for example, I was going to call you. This is the action completed? Does it show a completed action or not?
No.
Did I call you or not? This is the point. I was going, now you were going to bring a nice cake for us today. Did she bring the cake? No. So again, this construction tells you that the action was expected to happen, but did not happen. Now she was going to study Arabic, but is she studying Arabic? No.
I know this thing, but we say expressing an addition or plan, circle if no, if not. I was going to class.
Now when I say, now I'm going to call, I'm going to visit, I'm going to buy, I'm going to write, does it express an intention or a plan or not?
Yes.
Okay, this is the point.
Also 3.
Yeah, what about 3?
You write H no.
I was going to class.
You said it's no.
I was going to class when I ran into a friend from a childhood. Yeah. Now, was there intention to run into that to run into that friend, for example?
No. It was the intention to go to the class.
Yes, there was intention. Now, I was going to the class when I ran. So again, does this express an intention or a plan? This is the point. So again, we come to say that some constructions, some verbs express when you use them to tell the listener or the reader that the action happened or did not happen.
So it's
this is
not
the
yes.
point. Sorry?
No, not yes.
It is not.
It's an intention.
Sorry?
Doctor, can I tell her? I think that when we was saying I was going to class, there's an action here. It says that I was doing something, something was happening in the past, so there's no intention. But when you look at, I was planning to go, I was going to do something, I was planning to do this, but something has happened or something. Here, there's intention, but in the number 3, there's no intention. There's only action happening in the past.
Thank you very much. The point is that some constructions show clear intention, a clear plan to do something, okay? And other constructions tell you that the action was not fulfilled. Now, it is clear when I say I'm going to, okay? I'm going to do, I'm going to write, I'm going to watch, okay? And others will tell you that it did not happen. This is the point. Now look, I'm going to the concert tomorrow. I'm going. What do you understand from this point, Nada? Is there intention or plan? Yes. It is a clear intention. I'm going to the concert. I'm going to read. I'm going to buy. Okay, and I'm looking forward to it. Okay? So this shows what? Intention For the future, a future activity. Okay?
Yes.
What are you going to do this evening? What are you going to do this evening?
I'm going to visit my sister.
I'm going to visit my sister. Good. What are you going to do this evening? Yes?
I'm going to study my
I'm going to study. Good. Yeah?
I'm going to reading.
I'm going to read. Thank you. Yeah?
I'm going to watch.
I'm going to watch
Next
TV. Thank you. Good. Now, so this construction, I'm going to express is what clear intention for something you'll do in the future. Now, I was going to stay at home today. I was going to stay at home today. But I wanted to finish this lecture. Did I stay at home? No. So, was the action fulfilled or not?
No.
No. I'm going to go. This is intention. This is, okay, I want to do something. I intend to do. But I was going to go. I was going to stay. I was going to invite you to lunch yesterday. But I didn't have your telephones. Did I invite you? No. Okay?
Yes.
So again, this is unfulfilled or uncarried action.
Yes.
Now, read this example, please. Jihad.
Jihad was going to go to the movie last time, but he changed his mind.
Okay, thank you. He changed his mind. Now, what do you understand? Was going to or were going to? What does it express? What does it express? Yes, Khadija.
Was or we're going to talks about
Don't
was.
read. What did you understand? Okay, when do we use this construction? As they said, okay, I was going to stay at home. Am I at home now? No. So what do you understand? We use it to?
To talk about the intention in the past.
Okay, thank you. Unfulfilled. Unfulfilled, okay? You were going to bring your coat today, right? Did you bring the coat? No. Okay. Now look. I was planning to go, but I didn't. I was planning to go, but I didn't. Okay? And there is an answer to your question here. Just wait, okay? I was planning to go. Now, was planning, this is past progressive. This is past progressive. Did the action happen or not? No, it did not happen. Okay? Now, does the past progressive express fulfilled actions or unfulfilled actions? Unfulfilled actions. Now listen. Now, we were talking when she came. Or let's say we were eating. We were eating. Did we eat or not?
Yes.
Yes. We did. Okay? So, was the action carried out, fulfilled or not?
Yes.
Does the past progressive express fulfilled or unfulfilled actions? In general, yes. Okay, we were eating, we were sleeping, we were talking.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what about the past perfect? We had eaten before you came.
Yes.
Or before she came. Was the action achieved or not?
Yes.
Fulfilled or not?
Fulfilled.
Okay. Now look at these examples again. Keep this in mind. Look, I was planning to go. I was hoping to go. But I couldn't. Did I go? No. I was intending to go. Did I go?
No.
I was thinking about going, but I didn't. Did I go?
No.
The same with the past perfect. I had hoped to go, but
I
I couldn't. I had intended to go, but I had thought and I had planned. So look at these verbs: plan, hope, intend, and think.
Yes.
When used in the past progressive or the past perfect, what do they express? Unfulfilled actions. Thank you very much. They express unfulfilled actions. Okay? Now, how can we express unfulfilled actions? Yeah, we want to start. Yes, Yasmin.
I want to ask something.
Ask. What do you want to ask?
But I couldn't. This is show the action unfulfilled. But I was planning to go.
Okay. This is in general. In general, this emphasizes the meaning. Okay. This emphasizes the meaning. Okay. I want to show something, but generally, okay, they are used with these verbs. You are right. They emphasize. They tell you that. Okay. The meaning was not carried out. You are right. Okay. Now, look. Other ways of expressing unfulfilled intentions are to use what? We use these verbs in the past progressive or in the past perfect. Now tell me, how can we express unfulfilled actions? Number one. Give me an example. Give me an example. I'm going. Just a minute. We want one speaker. Yes. I was going to call you. Good. I was going to call you. Thank you. I was going to call you, but I didn't have your number. Good. Okay. By the way, this is called future in the past. I was going to call. Future in the past. Okay. This is one way. Another way, Lama.
Future activities.
For example, give me an example.
I'm going to visit my grandfather.
Now listen. I'm going to visit. This is intention. I'm going to do. We are talking about, okay, the constructions that show you the action was not fulfilled. Unfulfilled actions can be expressed by using this construction. I was going to call. I was going to study. I was going to do. Okay? The other one, who was speaking? Who was the speaker? Lama. Let's go to Lama again. Yeah.
About future activities, I'm going to visit my aunt.
Now we are talking about past activities. Okay? You are right. This is good. I'm going to visit. Okay? This is a future. We cannot judge whether it will. We cannot be sure. Okay? It can be fulfilled. Now I have the intention. Okay? But I'm not sure whether it will be fulfilled or not. Right? Now let's talk about past activities. Past activities. Haneen.
I was hoping to study business and journalism, but my father didn't allow me to study.
Okay, thank you. Would you repeat the sentence again?
I was hoping to study business and journalism.
Okay, I was hoping to study. Thank you. I was hoping to study. Good. Thank you very much. But my father disagreed. Thank you very much. Good. Yes, Asma.
I had hoped to get full mark at the grammar exam, but
A good example. I had hoped, okay, to get a full mark, but, okay, I didn't. Thank you. Another way. Who can remember? Yes, Noor. I had intended. Okay. Other than the past perfect.
I was supposed.
Supposed. Very good. Yes. Give a sentence.
I was supposed to play, but I slept.
Thank you very much. I was supposed, okay, to play some video games, for example, but we didn't have electricity at home. Okay, good. So, yes,
Is it enough?
you want to say something?
I was thinking about coming early, but I couldn't.
I was thinking, okay, the past progressive, okay? The past progressive, good. Look at this exercise. Restate each sentence in two other ways. Restate in two other ways. Yeah, we'll begin, okay, with, yes, who wants to start? Yes, please. Number 1, read it.
I was going to get up early this morning, but I didn't.
Read it. I was, number 1. Okay, this is the example. Good. Look at this one. Number 1, read it and restate it.
I was going to stay home on my day off, but I had too much work at the office. Yes,
I had planned, I had intended, okay, go on, to stay, but I had. Good, thank you. Another way, in another way. Yes, please, in another way.
I was hoping to stay home on my day off.
Thank you. Good. Number 2. Yes, Sahar.
I was going to surprise you with jewelry for your birthday, but I wasn't sure what you would like. I had planned. Look, we have plan and plane. You know what is the plane? We use the plane to fly. Okay? Plan. This is plan, yeah. And another way.
Okay, this is enough. Would you repeat the sentence again? What did you say? I had planned to surprise you. Thank you very much. Another way.
Maybe I was thinking about surprise.
I was thinking about. Thank you very much. Good. Number 3. Number 3. Yes, please.
I was going to play to your email right away, but I got distracted by my children. I had planned to
reply to your email. I had planned. Good.
But I got.
Thank you. Use I was and complete. Who can complete? I was, yeah? I was.
Thinking it was
Okay, thank you. Or I was hoping. I was supposed. Why don't you use this verb? Supposed. Okay, I was supposed to. Okay? Another exercise. Read the introduction. Read the introduction. Yes, please.
Take turns completing the sentence. Work in pairs or small groups. Share some of your answers with the class.
Okay. Yes, now, you two. Number 1, read and the other one complete.
I'm going to go.
I was going to.
To get up early this morning, but I said.
But, thank you, complete.
My brother took my alarm clock.
Thank you. Good. But I overslept. Good, thank you. Yeah, number 2. Yes, please.
I had intended to meet you at the restaurant, but I couldn't come.
Very good, thank you. Yes, please, you two. Lama and Sahar.
I was planning to visit you this weekend,
But I had to work.
But I had to work. Good, thank you. Yes, please, Murida and Haneen.
I was planning to visit you.
I was
Planning.
planning or planning? Planning, okay.
I had hoped to see you one more time before you left, but I couldn't get time.
Thank you very much. Yes, please, you two. You two. Yes. Yes, go on, you two. Do it. Next one.
We had to gather around inviting the symbol to our party.
Uh-huh. But you had thought of inviting somebody to your party, but they can. Give them a chance. Yes, but sorry? You wanted to do, but what happened?
We didn't invite.
But we didn't, okay?
Thank you. Simply, but we didn't. Yes, please, you too.
We were hoping to see
Number 6.
I was going to call you on your birthday, but I didn't find your number.
But I didn't find your telephone number. Thank you very much. Yes, please.
We were hoping to see the movie in a theater,
But we didn't have a chance.
Thank you. Good. Now look at this exercise. Read the introduction, Najwa, please.
Imagine that next Tuesday you have a holiday.
Okay, imagine. Next Tuesday.
You have a holiday.
Imagine, okay.
You and your roommate are making plans. Read the list of activities. Which one sounds good to you?
Okay. Now you are making plans for spending the holiday. These are the activities. Which one or which ones sound good to you? You like more than the others. Yes, would you please? Okay, read them and tell me. Look at them, all of you, and tell me which one sounds good for you. Yes, Lama.
Let's go to a movie.
Let's go to a movie. She wants to go to a movie. Thank you.
Why don't I study grammar all the day?
Good. Why don't we study grammar all day? Can you? Really? Can you do that all day?
Why not?
Why not? Good. Thank you. Yeah. She's an ambitious student. Yeah.
We fly to Paris for lunch.
Okay, why don't we fly to Paris for lunch? Just to have lunch, you want to fly to Paris. Okay, good. Yes, please. Thank you. Yes, Samaher.
Let's play video games.
Thank you very much. Now look. Let's go. Why don't we study? Let's go shopping. Why don't we? Let's play. Why don't we? What do these sentences express? What do they express? They express suggestion. Okay? That's right. Okay, I am suggesting something. Okay? Now, how do we make suggestions according to these sentences? Yeah?
We say let's and
Yeah. Or why don't? Okay. Now, the weather forecast expects heavy rains for tomorrow. What do you suggest? Yeah.
Let's stay at home.
Let's stay at home. Okay, good. Other suggestion. Why don't we stay at home?
What about stay at home?
What about staying at home? Good. What about staying at home? Thank you. Now, look. Let's start by let's. Let's go. Let's. This is contracted. It is made up of two words. Let and us. Okay? And as you said, let's go, let's stay, let's play. Yeah, it's clear that followed by the simple form of the verb. Now, let's not go to a movie. Let's not stay at home. So it can be used in the negative, okay? Let's not waste our time. Let's not play in the street, okay? Let's not, it can be used in the positive and can be used in the negative. Okay, good. Now, another way. Why don't we go? Why don't we go? Does it mean let's go?
Yes.
Okay. And it is used to express? Okay, thank you very much. Now, why don't we come? It means what? Okay, it means I suggest that you come. Now, what do you understand? Why don't we go and let's go? When do we use them? Are they the same? What would you say about that? Yes, please.
They do have a same meaning to make a suggestion.
Okay.
But
Good, you are right. They have the same meaning. They are used for suggesting something. Thank you very much. What would you like to add?
This mean use to a friendly suggestion.
Okay.
Informal.
Friendly, it means what? Informally. Okay.
let's more formal.
Okay, it is more formal. One is more formal. So let's go is more formal than
Why don't?
Okay, thank you very much. Now, when I say why don't we, or why don't we go? It means, do you approve that? Do you agree with that?
That's right.
Okay. Yeah. Now, shall I open the window? Shall I open the window? Shall I complete all the unit today? Shall I open? What does that mean? When I say shall I complete all, shall I finish the unit, this unit today? As if I'm saying, is that okay with you? Okay? Is that okay with you? Okay? So again, do you agree on this or not? Do you agree on this or not, right? Now, shall we and shall I, can also be used for what? Okay, for the same language function, to suggest something. Now, shall plus I and we, they are what?
More formal.
They are more formal. They are more formal and infrequent in American English. When used in the tag questions, we say, let's go, shall we, or let's go, it's okay, okay. The difference between shall we and okay is that the first one is more formal. Okay. Now, before we move to the exercise, how can we suggest things? How can we make suggestions? Yeah, who can tell me? Who can tell me? Yes, please.
Let's plus.
Okay, for example, tomorrow we expect heavy rains tomorrow. What do you suggest? Make a suggestion. Sorry? It is expected that heavy rains will fall tomorrow. The weather will be very cold and stormy. Let's stay at home. Thank you very much. Good. This is one way.
Let's go to bring an umbrella.
Good. Thank you. Yeah.
Why don't we stay at home?
Thank you very much. And
Why we don't wear a coat?
a new way. Thank you very much. Shall we stay at home? Shall we stay at home? Okay. You want to say something? Okay, good. You are right. Thank you very much. Now look at this exercise. In your own words, complete this exercise. I think this is an easy exercise and you can do it at home. The answers are open. For example, I don't feel like staying home today. Okay? Yeah, B. Why? It's easy. You can complete it. Now look at your box, please. Page 178. What can you see in the pictures? What can you see in the pictures? Which page?
178.
Yes.
Now look at the pictures. Okay? Read the conversation. Whose suggestion seems stronger? Alice's or Roberto's? Yes, read that. Yes, read. What's the problem of Carl?
Something wrong with my bike. How will I get to school tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alice, you could take the bus, but Roberto, you should walk. I think you should walk is more stronger.
Okay, thank you very much. It is stronger. It is stronger. Thank you. Now, so You could and you should. They are used also for making what? Suggestions, okay?
Yes.
This we'll complete talking about inshallah next time. Okay? And still it is a very small bit to finish this unit. Anyhow, tomorrow there is another day. Let's say goodbye and thank you very much.